Hello friends, my name is Venkatesh Prasad, the founder CEO of RV-VLSI Design Center. I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you my personal journey that I went through as a young engineer graduating from RV College of Engineering in the year 1991. The unemployment in the country was 24% at that time. We were confused. At some point we were even afraid. We didn't know what to do, what was in store for us. Thankfully to me, the education that I got at RVCE helped me to get a job in Bharat Electronics as a probationary engineer. As a probationary engineer, I was very fortunate to be working in IC-CAD, a division in BEL which designs bipolar ICs. I got an opportunity to work on 6 chips from 1991 to 1995. This experience took me to the US. I continued to pursue my passion in VLSI design, in IC design, and worked with many reputed companies such as Metagraphics, Synopsys, Applied Microcircuits, and Connection Systems in Newport Beach, California. Friends, over the years, I have learned how not to design an IC. If I were to look back and see what I learned in my engineering and how much of that was useful for me, I can tell you one thing. I got excellent theoretical concepts from my graduation, but in order to see how a transistor works, how not to design a circuit, what are some common pitfalls that one will be seeing while designing an IC, that is something that I got hands-on when I started working in these companies. During my time when I graduated, there was no such concept of a finishing school or experiential learning or a pedagogy which gave people the hands-on experience with the use of tools, technology, and a real-life problem. I know very well that my mentors at Bharat Electronics took a good 1 year to get me productive to the companies. Friends, I'd like to share with you that all that wisdom, all that knowledge, all that experience that I gained at my working in India and abroad, I have put together at RV-VLSI in Bangalore. RV-VLSI is a finishing school in VLSI and embedded systems. It is unique in 3 different ways. We are unique in what we teach, we are unique in how we teach, and we are unique in who teaches. What we teach is what the industry wants, drawn out of my personal experiences while working in the US and in Bangalore, and the strong industry connects that we have in India and abroad. We have been blessed with access to the latest and greatest EDA tools from companies. These are the same tools and technologies that are used in companies today. The people who teach at RV-VLSI are people who have tons of experience from the industry. The best way to teach people, like I said earlier, is not to design, but rather how not to design, because we never know what the design is going to look like. Intel might want you to design a processor, whereas Broadcom might want you to design a DSL chipset. So, the common factor in both this is how not to design, and that's called as experience. You gain experience by working on tools, by getting your hands and feet dirty, by making many mistakes as part of the learning process, and that's what RV-VLSI is famous for. RV-VLSI, today I must share with you, has been recognized. The president of RV-VLSI, Dr. Panduranga Setty, has been recognized with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the India Electronics and Semiconductor Association annual event called as the Vision Summit, which happens in Bangalore. I believe this award has been presented to the RV group for its consistent delivery of quality training, quality education through its 27 institutions throughout Bangalore, and for having produced skilled, trained manpower to the semiconductor ecosystem in Bangalore and abroad. At RV-VLSI, we have trained about 3,000 students, and though placement is not a guarantee nor an assurance, we strive to put in the hard skills and the soft skills into the students so that they are employable with or without RV-VLSI. You name a company in the VLSI industry today, and I can assure you an RV-VLSI alumni is working over there. Friends, you have a lifetime opportunity today. The country is progressing. We are being visible. The Prime Minister has made his intentions clear to build smart cities, make in India, so on and so forth. Now is the time to think different, act different, and invest in an area which is going to yield a lot of benefits to you as time progresses. IT jobs are good, but they are not the only jobs that are there out there. If you are passionate, if you are hardworking, if you are progressive, and if you do not want a mundane job where every chip design, every chip is different. I have taped out 55 chips, but the 56 chips gives me butterflies in my stomach. The technology is evolving. If you are one of those types, we want to talk to you. Please visit us at www.rv-VLSI.com or send us an email to info@rv-VLSI.com. We would like to talk to people who are passionate, who are opinionated, and who really want to make a difference to the country, to their families, and to themselves. Thank you very much.